How to use Google Calendar out of Office feature. To use this feature, first of all, you have to have the Google Workspace account itself. Personal account won't show this option, but you can follow the same steps to activate this feature. So first of all you have to do is open the calendar application itself, then tap on this plus icon or create icon. And mind I tell you once again, if you have Google Workspace account, you should find the out of office option right above this birthday option. However, it is not shown in mine because this is my personal account. So all you have to do is simply click on it, and once you click on that option, you should be able to select this all day. Go ahead and enable this function. Now what this does is actually when it's enabled, it automatically declines any incoming meeting invites and notifies colleagues of your absence. And this is how you can use this feature. Once you're done, simply tap on save option on that specific date and day, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.